Good morning, everybody. Doc here, Platinum Pro Wash, St. Louis, Missouri. We are here in O'Fallon, Missouri this morning on a nice chilly morning, 37 degrees. Even though it looks beautiful outside, it's cold for the end of April. It's driving me nuts. All right, so in this house, the HOA Association wanted him to clean just the north side of the house. So that's all he wants to do. So that's this house. Literally gonna take us longer to set up than it is to clean. It is a little bit dirty. Gutters are kind of dirty. There is some dirt on the siding. But all in all, I don't know why the HOA is giving him a hard time about it. It's not really that bad, but it does need to be cleaned. You can see some of that. So we're going to get after this, get it cleaned up, make him happy, make the HOA happy, and all is well. So we will see you guys at the end of this, show you the results, and hopefully be out of here in no time. On to the next one. All right, guys, take care. There's Gooch. Hey, Gooch. All right, guys. Doc again, Platinum Pro Wash. Just finished up this little one-sided house. It's not a one-sided house, but one side of a house. And just as expected, took us about 20 minutes. Took longer to set up and tear down than it did to clean. But everything came out nice and shiny and bright, so the HOA should not have any more problems. I think it's kind of funny, tomorrow he's having all of this dug up, French drain put in, new sod, rocks raised. Hey, puppy. And I'm hoping that they don't dirty up what we just did. But in case they do, we will be back. There's the boys. Noah and Gooch getting ready to drop a yard sign, and we're off to the next one. See you on the next one. All right, guys, Doc here again, Platinum Pro Wash, St. Louis, Missouri. We are still in O'Fallon. To quote the Fresh Rinse, this is opportunity number 2 for the day. Nice, beautiful white house. Got the boys filling up tanks. Brothers arguing. It's always good. So, it's been a while. Well, I think they said it's been 2 years since this one's been washed. And they usually had a guy with a pressure washer out here. So we're going to do a little bit better job, I hope. We're going to use our soft wash system, 12 volt. Don't have my gas powered AR45 yet, so I'm going to probably have to get up on the roof to get up to that peak. And I'm not sure that the 12 volt with the assassin tip's going to make it, but we'll see. We'll give it a try. Nice and easy. It is pretty dirty up there though. Maybe an hour, depending on if I have to downstream with the pressure washer to get some of those high peaks. That chimney's pretty tall, but it does have some sporadic mold, algae all over the place, lots of dust. There's the tricky one. Well, if I had that red gun, it'd reach up there, but we don't have that yet. And the gas-powered pumps are all back-ordered. So I'm thinking about getting one of those Predator pumps from Harbor Freight. And I did find a pump, I forgot the website, to build my own system. So looking good. Lots of bushes. Got to do a little property maintenance here. Property protection. Front side of the house is. It's a cool looking house. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there's the worst part of it. Soffit area is kind of pushed in. Gotta be mindful of that before we start washing. So, alright guys, that's it. We're not doing any concrete. They didn't want that done, but hopefully we'll be back to do that. So, alright, this is it. I'll show you the finished product. Alright guys, finished with the second one here. Came out really good. All the moss, algae, mildew came off. Looking good, got our sign. Bunch of neighbors watching us. Came out really, really nice. Really nice. Like I said in a previous video, when white's clean, boy, it shines. I think I said shine like a new nickel. So it looks real good. Make sure you get those windows good and wet. Whew. That bleach will cut into them. Do a double wash down on those. Looks good. Like I said earlier, before we started washing, I did have to get up on the roof right here, go up to the peak to get my 12 volt to shoot all the way up there. It almost reached from the ground, but there is as you can see, a good wind blowing, so it just wouldn't quite reach it. So actually pretty impressed with it. Didn't have to use the pressure washer at all, just got it from the roof. Nice and clean. Plant protection, watered those down really well, especially this. There's gonna be a lot of you guys that are a lot better at knowing trees than me. Whatever that thing is, what is that? Apple blossom, cherry blossom, Japanese maple, something. Pretty tree though, but I know those are really sensitive, so we really watered that thing down. But all in all, guys, yep, got the guys rolling everything up. There's Gooch and Noah finishing up. Beautiful house. Alright guys, we're done with this one. Off to the next one.